How to make only your friends can see your post on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only your friends can see your post on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then go down, click on your profile here, and now just select any post you want and then click these 3 points here and click change audience, and now just click friends, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.